So how will I do it removing using the index? So I can do it with dot, we'll have to see. Okay, there is something called as pop, list.pop, and it says give your index. So I want to pop out the, let's say of course the sixth element now, because I just removed 4. So I'm going to pop out this. So 246 is popped out. So now if I say list, it's only 123580. Okay, 246 has been popped out. So this is popping out or removing by index. This is removing by value. Okay, so now if I use another function, another method called as .extend, as you can see over here, I can give another iterable, which means, let's say I give another list, which again I say just like before, 246. The append would append the list to it, but extend would extend this list to these elements inside this list, but this not make another list inside, but it'll just add these elements together in the same list. So now your list and your len of list is different. So now if I would say a list of, if I say a list of 7, it would just return me 4. Is that clear? Now what if I want to sort this list? Is there a way to sort this list? Oh yes, there is. List.sort. So list.sort, it returns, okay, it sorts in ascending order for me. What if I want to do it in descending order? Okay, what if I want to do it in descending order? I would do something like this. List dot, after sorting it in ascending order, I could do something like list dot reverse, which means it would reverse for me the sorted ascending that is descending. Okay, you can do this one way, or there is another way of doing it. Okay, let's say there is another option, list.sort. In sort, it says there is an option called as you can put reverse equal to false, which means you can sort it in the reverse way also if you need, but instead of false you should say true. Of course, this will sort for you in the reverse way. It is already sorted though in the descending order. This just sorts it in the reverse, that's all. Okay, so with this we are quite some way with lists. Let's see if there is something else that we can do. Okay, a list.copy. What does it do? A list.copy would copy the list to another list. So that's going to be A. Okay, it's going to copy that list. Okay, now let me understand a few things out here. This is about lists. Okay, there is another operator which we can use, list. I can use the slicing operator. Let's say start from the second element, go up till the sixth element, and say enter. List of 2 to 6. The second 0, 1, 2. The second element, that is 5, 4, 3, and 2. So the second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, but it does not go to 6, which means this 6 is exclusive, but this 2 is inclusive. So 5, 4, 3, 2. List of 2 colon 6. Okay, so that is going to be your slicing operator. If I say a slicing operator, just a slicing operator, just like that, it's going to be 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 0, the entire thing together. So if I say, but if I say a list of, if I say minus 1, if I say list of minus 1, it says it is this value 0. If I say LST, I'm so sorry. If I say LST, if I say minus 2, that's going to be the second element from behind, that is 1. If I say a list of minus 3, it's going to be the third element from behind, that is 2. So that means from the front you have the order of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But from behind it's going to be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. So if anybody asks you for the last letter in the list or for the last element in the list, you can just give them using list of minus 1. That's going to give you the last element in the list, that is 0. Okay, so what if I did something like this, LST, if I could, if I do minus 1 colon minus 5, okay, and now it's an empty list, right? Now that's fine, because it's, of course, you can't do the reverse way out. Okay, but what if, you know, what if I use a slicing operator in a different way? I start from 2, go up to 6, use it in steps of 2, and I get 5 comma 3. So I went up to 6. That means I started from 2 and went up to 6, but I did in steps of 2. I left the one in between. That's how I can use a slicing operator in a different way. Alright, hope you got an idea to this. It's a little different using list. In list, also one more thing, you can have list of multiple, you can have a list of not just one data type but multiple data types together. Let's say 2 comma hello comma, you can say 45.8. You can have multiple things in a list. So now your list is going to contain multiple things. Type of list is of course going to be list itself, but a type of list of 0 is going to be class int. A type of list of 1 is going to be of type, of course, it's going to be class str, and so on. Okay, so with this we have covered the basics of list along with a few, along with a few methods. We are going to go through some problems in the next lecture.